What's up, guys? Mr. Alan C here. We're checking out the Beats Solo 3 headphones. These are wireless. All right, so the Beats Solo 3s. They get a 4-hour runtime charge in 5 minutes, but they can hold up to 40 hours of listening time on the battery. They got a fuel gauge for the battery, just like in your car now, but on the headphones. And let's take a look at these. Change the way you hear sound. They got the built-in microphone, of course. Comes with a carrying case, which is so important when you got, such a premium set of headphones that you want to take care of. Liking that. Nice zipper there. Very compact. What else is in that box there? Hopefully this is a charger or something. And I don't like when companies skimp out on a charger, but I don't think they did. We got the manuals in there. Let's pop this. Ah, beautiful. We got a charging cord, micro USB to USB, and a, what do they call this, carrying clip? You can clip these to stuff. I think that probably attaches to the case right here, which is super cool. So I don't usually use these clips, but this one's pretty nice. I'm probably going to leave it on there. When you're not using it, it can just go, go down flat. This is a brand new product. I'm surprised people still use micro USB to USB and not Type-C, but I mean, it does the job. It says you get up to 4 hours of listening time on a 5-minute charge, so they must know what they're doing. Here we go, guys. We've been waiting for this. When I opened this case, it just smelled amazing. I pulled these out right here. Look at this. They even got little pulleys over the Beats logo. Look at that. Ooh. And that is sparkly. I went with the white ones because they're so nice. It shows the charging ports right there for the micro USB. Right here, this is your battery fuel gauge, I believe. So it's going to show you what you have for battery left. Seeing as these last 40 hours on a charge, I don't think it's going to be a problem. What do we got here? I was wondering, do we have a real audio jack? Looks like we have a real audio jack plug-in. Thank God. I really appreciate the real audio jacks. And what's this say? On-ear controls for wireless mode. You can also do calls and stuff on these. So let's peel. Okay. Oh, okay. And then it showed like this is for the volume down and up. That's nice. Let's get these on our head. Right away I'm wondering, am I wearing them the right way? Do they need to face the other way? These look great. They feel great. Do I got them on right? I don't know. But yeah, they feel pretty good. I could use bigger earmuffs here, but they're not smashing my ears like some muffs that just make them sore. These are actually pretty comfortable. Got any juice? Is this the power? Okay, yeah, it looks like they're fully juiced, so that's pretty cool. And we got the Beats logo, iconic logo up top. I mean, if you just get one pair of these and just be good to them, they'll last you for 10 years, probably, I'm guessing now. But if you baby them, and then you'll have the Beats logo all that time. So yeah, let's try them on now. All right, so I just paired them over Bluetooth on my Android device. It was super simple. It wasn't like what they show for the Beats Solo 3 on Apple, where they just it pops up on your phone and you hit OK. This one, I went into Bluetooth mode and selected the word Beats Solo 3. Pretty simple, right? No pop-ups. But Apple gets that nice pop-up. You hit OK. Can you imagine if you're on a plane and everybody has Apple and you turn them on? Does it pop up on their phones if they have an Apple? So this is pretty cool, pairing it through the Bluetooth like normal on Android. These are definitely for plane rides for me. I'm going to enjoy them and appreciate them on the plane. Let's see that Beats logo. I don't know if you can see it up top there. And yeah, love them. They're comfortable. They sound good. Good bass. And now I'm just going to go enjoy them. So thanks for checking out the video. Really appreciate you guys. Couldn't do it without you. Hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bass sounds great. Treble sounds great. These are comfortable, lightweight, and an awesome travel case. No regrets here. Super happy. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye.